to Joe and Di's Allotment channel. I'm Joe and Di is behind the camera.
Hi there.
So what we do is we like to show how we use some of our harvest as well. Not only how we grow and look after our crops and how we harvest and store them, but also like to have some recipes of what we actually do. So we've just been harvesting peas this week. So we're going to make a lovely pea and mint soup, which is quite a basic recipe. It just needs onion, garlic, some vegetable stock, some mint and some peas. So I'm going to start by shelling some of the peas. We've picked this last few days. Lovely big peas. So we just shell some. They're lovely to enjoy sort of fresh. Just in salads basically. We like to have some in salads as well, but cooked. But yeah, so also we store some as well if we can. Like to freeze some of them, but we like to eat as many of them as we can when they're freshly harvested. So I'll start by shelling these and then we move on to the next step. So I'm going to harvest some mint to put in the soup. So take the leaves off. And I'm going to do a combination of mint and a little bit of peppermint as well. That's a nice flavour. If you haven't got fresh mint, you can always use dried mint, which will be about 50 grams I think in the soup. That should be enough. Take that in and give that a good wash first. So we've got the 3 cups of peas, we've got a couple of mint, a couple of freshly harvested red onions, a couple of cloves of garlic from the allotment, and we've got some of our own bouillon mixture we make up. We might actually do a video on how we sort of dry and make that up. It's lovely to make vegetable stock with it to use in various soups or dishes. And we've got some dried mint. I might add a little sprinkle of that as well, just for a little bit of added flavour. So I'm now going to chop all this up now. So we've finely chopped the onion, garlic and mint. We've got a bit of dried mint, and we've added 3 tablespoons of our bouillon to 750 millilitres of water, and we've got salt and pepper to taste and a little bit of the oil for frying. So we'll now start cooking. So I just add a little bit of olive oil to the bottom of a pan. We'll turn that on. Give it a good distribution. We just add the onion and garlic, cook them off a little bit first. Sizzling straight away. Lovely. Give them a little stir. I'll turn that down, let that cook for a couple of minutes. So they're nicely browned off now after a couple of minutes. So what I'll do is I'll add the 750 millilitres of veg stock. And then add all the other ingredients. So the peas go in.
How much peas?
3 cups of peas. And 1 cup of chopped mint. And a little bit of dried mint as well, just for added flavour. And some salt and pepper to taste. So we now bring that back to the boil. We'll bring that to the boil and we'll cook that for about 15 minutes so it all softens up in there. And then what I'll do is I'll blend it and cook it for a further 5 minutes. So we now can bring that back to the boil and cook it. So it's been simmering for 15 minutes now, and it's probably cooked and you can eat it now if you want to, but we like to blend it into a smoother soup. just give that a taste to make sure it's lovely. So that's ready to eat now. So just to recap, that's a pea and mint soup. You can do it with frozen peas just as easily. Lovely taste. So we'll enjoy that with a nice crusty roll for lunch. Thank you for watching. Hope you've enjoyed the video and have a go at making it yourself. As I said, you can make it with fresh harvested peas or frozen peas. You can use fresh mint or dried mint. Equally, it comes out lovely, lovely, lovely flavour. So yeah, thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video. Or if you'd like to follow our journey through the allotment year, please consider subscribing to Joe and Di's allotment channel. Thank you very much.